travel around the world, so we don't want to waste a lot of money on the furniture. These are the napkins for $1. This is the pillow, around $30. This is the regular size pillow. Can you see? This is a clock for $2.5. Absolutely cheap, isn't it? Scissor, I don't know for how much, maybe $1. These are the lid. I think it cost me like 30 penny, 40 penny. This is an induction pan. It's around $20. Yeah, we are going to use an induction stove because you cannot use anything like gas burner. This is a factory area. Any kind of live flame is prohibited in this area, in this factory. So we have to rely on the infrared or the induction for cooking. I mean, this seems quite good, isn't it? The quality seems quite good. We bought some mugs for like $1 for 2 mugs, as you can see. I mean, the bad thing about this mug is that these are not very stable, but it's absolutely cheap. We just want to spend really minimum money on this stuff. We don't want to buy anything expensive. We don't want to buy too many stuff. We want to keep small because this is a 45 square feet. We cannot afford to put a lot of stuff inside. And we bought some plate.
It's also in white color.
I think we paid $20 for 5 plates. 2 bowl maybe for some kind of noodle or something like that. 1 for like some ketchup. This look quite good, isn't it? And then this one I pay like 50 penny for this Akia bag. Let me put aside. And then around $3.5 for laundry. This is we will putting our clothes here. Maybe we will do our laundry by ourselves, or we go to the self laundry, which will be definitely cheaper. Here's another thing. In the industrial area, you pay 3 times more for the water and 3 times more for the electricity. Regularly, the water is outside $5. In the residential area here, it costs $15. 1.17 Hong Kong dollars for the electricity. I'm telling down the prices in Hong Kong dollars. So let me put this one also. Some tray for around $1. I mean the kit of spatula. I didn't remember. I will be putting the price on this screen. To store the plate, a bamboo plate storer.
Including cups and glass.
This is a bowl for this is a drainable bowl for washing the vegetable, as you can see. Some crock plate to put some kind of like a fry pan or something hot. Another cup, because I do not call it a mug. This is quite tiny to consider as a mug. A big bowl for around I'm not sure, about $1-2. Induction pan 5 set. Basically, it has three pan and 2 lids. That's all I can say. For around $13. I think this is absolutely a steal. Our electric stove for around, how much we pay, like $45, somewhere like that. And this is the most popular induction stove. Me and my wife never use any induction stove in our life. This is the first time we are going to use. So what do you have to say on the induction stove?
I will be very happy to use it because it's my first time to experience it. So let's see. I will give my review on it.
Yeah, I mean, so can you put there
Yeah, sure.
a tiny, around 50 penny storage bag for like some coins? I think I didn't remember. I will put in the price on the screen. For chopping board for cutting the stuff. And a really very big box set for storing the food in the refrigerator, around for $5.
Very cheap.
Some lids around for 30 penny. Some sponges for around $1 US dollar. Food storage for $2 US. Two plate for this plate was like $5 for 5 plate, and around $1.50 for a trash can. So this is what we bought it for $200. So what we have to say about it?
It's a challenge for us to manage a tiny home with the minimum items. So I have nothing to say because it's my like first time. So I can't say anything. Let's see how we manage it.
I think that's enough for today's episode. Click that like button. Do not forget to click that bell. Let me know what do you like in this video, and is there anything you could recommend for us from IKEA which can help us. Why not click that subscribe?